Hi, this is Brian M. Curran from draftingservices.com, and I'm shooting a video of the project site I'm at today. I'm in Dobbs Ferry in Westchester, and I'm at a house that has recently been purchased. The owner hired an architect to do remodel, and I'm doing the drawings. I'm doing existing condition drawings for the architect and owner. On this project, we'll be doing the floor plans and RCPs, and that's it. So this is your foyer. Have like a great room with the fireplace. We have our kitchen back here. We have a 2-car garage and some bedrooms back there. And then upstairs are a couple of bedrooms and baths and etc. So this is what I'm working on today. I figured I'd show you around. If you're ever in need of existing condition drawings, whether it's in Westchester or New York City or the Hamptons, then please feel free to give me a ring anytime. Thank you for viewing my video and have a fantastic day.